Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dark theme on YouTube. Now as you can see, I'm on youtube.com and currently it is showing in the dark mode. So how do you go ahead and ensure that you turn off the dark mode or even enable it if you want this option? So once you're here, all you need to do is just ensure that you sign into your YouTube profile. So towards the upper right hand side, you want to click on that, and of course you'll be able to sign in. But once you sign in, you'll be able to see a lot of these options available to you. Right now, once you're here, you want to click on the appearance, and as you can see right beside the appearance, it also shows a little moon, and it also shows for myself device theme. Yours might say something else, right? Now if you click on that, you will see the option. So in case you have dark mode, you will see it says dark theme. Otherwise, if you have the light mode, it basically will look like that. So if you want to enable the dark mode, you simply tap on that. You will see that it does not change for me because my computer by default now is in the dark mode, so that's why it looks like that. However, if you want to turn this off and use, for example, the light theme, you just need to click on the appearance, click on light, and you will see once YouTube refreshes that it is in the light mode again. So that's it, guys. That's how you enable or disable dark mode in YouTube, or let's say turn on or off dark mode in YouTube on your Windows computer. And this works within any browser. Once you sign into your YouTube account, you'll be able to access the dark mode or the light mode for that browser for YouTube. Very easy and very simple.